Hello decoders. In today's video, we are going to decode the introduction and fundamental features of Python programming language. And let's see how this introduction helps us to learn Python programming. There are many high-level programming languages available in the market like JavaScript, Visual Basic, Delphi, Perl, Python, PHP, Ruby, C Sharp, Java, and many others. However, Python is more powerful and widely used language in today's time. Python is known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. 1956 born Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum first released Python in 1991. Python emphasizes code readability and uses a clear, expressive syntax that allows programmer to write code in fewer lines compared to other languages. Python is an interpreted language. This means it does not need to be compiled before running. Instead, Python programs are executed by an interpreter, which converts the code into machine-readable instruction on the fly. This makes Python slow on execution but comparatively fast in development. So we can have very fast development cycles using Python. Python is widely used in various domains and across many operating systems, including web development, data analysis, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, gaming, and many more. It has a vast standard library and it supports multiple programming paradigms such as procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. This variety suits to any programming style, which makes it widely popular. Now, let's see some prominent features of Python language. First, readability. Yes, as we all know, Python syntax designed to be easily readable and conscious, using indentation to define a code block instead of curly braces or some keywords. Second, dynamic typing. Python is dynamically typed, allowing variables to be assigned without explicitly declaring their type. The interpreter determines the type based on the assigned value at runtime. Third, cross-platform compatibility. Python programs can run on various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, without requiring major modification. However, to build such application in Python in various platforms and to run on them, you will need to appropriate libraries as well as pre-installed Python interpreter. This will help us to use Python as a cross-platform compatibility. Fourth, large standard library. Python comes with an extensive standard library that provides ready-to-use modules for performing wide range of tasks such as file manipulation or networking, web development, etc. In addition to the standard library, there is an active collection of hundreds of thousands of components from individual programs and modules to package an entire application development frameworks available from Python Package Index. Fifth feature, third-party libraries and frameworks. Python has a rich ecosystem of third-party libraries and frameworks such as NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Django, Flask, and others, which extends its capability and enable developers to build complex applications more effectively. Such third-party libraries and frameworks improves the efficiency of programmers, and we have just seen 5 features from Python language which we can see as a prominent, but these are just few features that I mentioned over here. We can decode such features for hours, so we will see these in a separate sessions. Now, to summarize, we can say that Python's simplicity, versatility, and widespread community support makes it an excellent pick for both beginners and experienced programmers. It has gained significant recognition and widely regarded as one of the most beginner-friendly programming language. So, you can start learning programming in Python keeping in mind a fantastic quote from famous author Robin Sharma. Robin Sharma says, "Every master was once a beginner, every pro was once an amateur, so start now and stay patient." Good luck on your learning journey and I'll see you in the next video. Please comment what you want to decode next and like, share to this video. Subscribe to JitendraDecodes and don't forget to share with the one who can get also benefited from this video. Happy decoding!